Is Nike hinting at an early spring? This upcoming women's Nike Air Force 1 suggests exactly that, introducing soft suede tones that look built for warmer days. Instead of sticking with the season's usual flax styles, Nike shifts toward a fresh, spring-ready feel using a mix of Fennel and Lime Ice suede. Clean white leather on the swoosh and heel tab creates sharp contrast, while the metallic gold mini-Swoosh on the lateral side adds that nostalgic, fan-favorite touch known from classic Dunks and Air Jordan 1s. Expected to release in spring 2026, likely around March, this Air Force 1 is crafted for women wanting a seasonal rotation upgrade. The blend of pastel tones, premium suede, and signature mini-Swoosh branding makes it a standout pick for sneaker fans tracking early season drops. Nike appears ready to warm things up early, are you?